My name is Lauren Reese. I'm a junior broadcast journalism major minoring in communication from Cleveland, Ohio, and I'm also a member of the BGSU social media team.
Hello, my name is Sana Ali. I am a junior criminal justice major here at BGSU. I am specializing in forensic investigations, and I'm from Chicago, Illinois.
So Sana is actually my very best friend and my roommate. So we're going to be doing a puzzle here. It's a little panda. It's almost finished.
I'm excited.
So we're going to finish it up, and then I'm going to ask her a little bit about her online learning experience. How's that sound?
Okay, sounds good.
So how has it been, like, just transitioning to like online learning? Can you tell me a little bit about that?
Yeah, it's been pretty smooth sailing. I feel like professors have definitely been accommodating. Some are giving a little bit more work. Teaching myself is kind of a little bit hard. I like people explaining things to me, but it's not too bad.
Good. So I know a lot of people have like WebEx and like Zoom calls. So how has that been? I know you were on the phone the other day with an organization. Can you tell me a little bit about how that went?
Yeah, sure. I've been on a lot of different calls. I'd say one of the most recent ones and one of the most exciting ones was last evening. We had the last meeting for USG, Undergraduate Student Government's last administration. We swore in new senators, so congrats to all of them, and congrats to the new president, President Harrison Carter, and the new vice president, Hobby Bose. I'm very much so looking forward to this next year.
That's great. So how have meetings changed? Like, is it harder, or how has that been having to meet online?
It's not too much harder. Some technical difficulties here and there, but other than that, I'd say as long as you have the right resources, and if you don't, BGSU's being very generous in offering help with that. It's definitely possible. It's definitely possible to make it out of this and succeed properly.
That's good. So do you have any tips or, any advice for other students who are going through, obviously, this online learning period right now?
I'd say set a schedule. I feel like I'm one of those people who will stay up all night long if I get the chance, and I will go the entire day without eating a meal if I don't set a time to do it. I definitely have help. People, lovely roommates who love to remind me by banging on my door in the morning to wake up and yelling at me when I don't eat a meal. But
Yes, we do.
Along with their help and setting a schedule, it's definitely possible. It's weird feeling cooped up inside. You don't really want to do as much anymore. You could be the most energetic person, the most ambitious person, and this just doesn't feel like it's just a weird environment.
Yeah.
It's a different environment.
To be home all day, yeah. But it is nice. There are some pluses to it. We do get to do fun things like puzzles and to try to occupy ourselves, and we hang out all the time. So So well, thanks for sharing your online learning transition. And
of course.
Let's get back to this puzzle because I want to make sure we finish this.
Yeah, I found a couple pieces.
So did I.